Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the shape of 3 mountains using a cat's cradle string loop. If you don't have one, you can make one by following the tutorial linked in the description box below. Let's get started! First, spread out your cat's cradle string loop and make sure there are no knots or tangles. Place your right arm under the loop like this. Then pull your arm up. Next, insert your left arm into the loops under your right arm and bring it back up like this. You should see a loop with a cross in the middle. Now, use your pinky fingers to pick up these 2 strings on the right and these 2 on the left. Next, take the horizontal string in front of both hands and slide it to the back of your hands like this. Then using both thumbs, pick up these 2 diagonal strings. One hand at a time, carefully release the bottom string of each hand, making sure not to let go of the others. Finally, twist your hands and stretch the string to the sides to complete the 3 mountain shape. Let's try it again. First, spread out your cat's cradle string loop and place your right arm under the loop and pull your arm up. Then insert your left arm into the loops. Bring it back up and you should see a loop with a cross in the middle. Pick up 2 strings on the right and 2 strings on the left. Then slide the horizontal string to the back. And with the both thumbs, pick up these 2 diagonal strings and release the bottom string from each hand and twist your hands and stretch to complete the 3 mountains. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video requires using both hands fully, so I thought it would be a fun and unique challenge. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching.